Good morning, 8th class students. Our topic is square roots and cube roots. Yesterday we discussed the prime factorization of a number. Now today I am going to explain some more problems on that concept. Here the question, what is the question? Find the smallest number by which 3645 must be multiplied to get perfect square. Here solution. What is the number given in question? 3645. Now the 3645 divided as a prime factors. So last digit is 5. You will go in 5 table. 5 sevens are 35. 1. 5 twos are 10. 5 nines are 5 ones are 5, 2, 5 fours are. It is not going 5 double, so 3 double take. 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 3 threes are, 3 eights are 3 ones are, 3 27s are, 3 nines are, 3 threes are 3 ones are. So 3645 we can write as 3645 we can write as 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 is repeated 6 times. Now make as a pairs. These two are one pair. These two are one pair. These two are one pair. But 5 not have a pair. 5 not have a pair. So I need 5. I need 5 to multiply. I need 5. To get perfect square number, to get a perfect square number, if 3645 multiplied by 5, we can get a perfect square number. We can get a perfect square number. So what is the conclusion here? 3645 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 into 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 22. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2 32. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3, 18. So, required number 18 to 5. 6 students, here is another question. Find the smallest number by which 7776 is to be divided to get perfect square. In previously we discussed to multiply, but this question is a divide. Solution. What is the given number? 7, 7, 7, 6. Divide as the prime factors. 2. 2 3s are 6. Next 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are. 2 1s are, 2 9s are, 2 4s are, 2 4s are. Again. 2 9s are 18. 14, 2 7s are, 2 2s are. Next 2 4s are. 2 8s are. 2 6 are. 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 3s are. 3 8s are, 3 1s are. 3 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So 7 7 7 6 we can write as 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 repeated 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Similarly 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeated 5 times. Into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now make a pair. These two are one pair, these two are one pair, these two are one pair, these two are one pair. But 2 and 3 not have pair. Here 2 2, 3 are needed to divide triple 7 6 to get perfect square number, to get the perfect square. If 776 is divided by 2 into 3 is equal to 6, we will get perfect square number. Perfect square number. If 776 is divided by 2 into 3 is equal to 6, then we will get a perfect square number. So 7776 by 6. Cancellation. 6 ones are 6, remaining 1 17. 6 twos are 12, remaining 5 57. 6 eights are 6 nines are 54, remaining 3 36. 6 6 are 36. So required perfect square number. Required perfect square number is 1296. Is 1296. So here we have to divide with 6. Question: the product of two numbers is 1296. If one number is 16 times to another number, then find the numbers. Solution: let one number be x. So from the two numbers I am taking one number as x. According to given second number is nothing but 16x. Why 16x? Here clearly given one number is 16 times to second number. So to get the next number, you have to multiply with 16 first number. Let one number be x. Second number must be 16x. Why? Because 16 times. Next, what he gave? The product of two numbers. Product is equal to 1296. Product means you have to multiply the two numbers. X into 16x is equal to 1296. What we get here? 16x square is equal to 1296. I am transporting to that side. What happens? 1296 by 16. Now do the calculation. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 4 3s are 12. 4 2s are 18. 4 4s are again. 4 8s are 4 1s are. So x square is equal to 18. X is equal to square root of 81. Go through prime calculation. Divide 81. 3 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. So root 81 we can write as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here 2 pairs are found. I am taking 1 pair. So 3 into 3. So what is the number? 9. So required number is 9. Required numbers. What are the numbers? One is x and one is 16x. X means 9. 16x means 16 into 9. So required numbers are 9 and 144. 9 and